we have discussed various issues confronting the religious minorities of Assam, more particularly the indigenous Assamese minority community. However, in the broader landscape, it has been agreed that the population explosion in some part of Assam has posed a real threat for the development of Assam. Entire range of issues will be discussed in the subgroup, and after 3 months we will be here again to prepare a roadmap for next 5 years. So that was the gist of the meeting we held today. They will come in the, we are going to conduct series of meetings on the population management. So next meeting we are going to hold with the migrant Muslim community. So this will be a series of meetings in the next 2 to 3 months.